To transfer a pattern onto your fabric, there's a couple of easy, quick ways that I use. First one, if I've got a light coloured fabric, is all I do is simply grab a pen. It can be a fabric marker or just whatever pen you've got lying about, and place your fabric over the design and then just trace. So this is a nice, easy, quick way. And most designs are printed. If you can print it in black, then it's much easier to see. And so this is pretty much what you can do with all your designs that are on a light coloured background. So for darker fabric, obviously that's not going to work the same. You can't see the image to trace through. So what I use is Dressmaker's carbon tracing paper, and you can buy them in sheets. You'll get different colours, so for the different colours of fabric then you might want to change. Obviously this is white, so that'll show up against the black, but say it was yellow, it might not work so well, so there's other colours you can get of carbon paper. And it works just like those old receipt books that you get, where you draw on top and then it basically presses down the image onto your fabric. So what I would do is make sure that the carbon side is touching the fabric, then place the design on top. And I'm just wanting to make sure the position is where I want it to be on the fabric. And then I want to use something that has got a bit of an edge that will actually make an indent into the carbon paper so that the design will go through. So I'm just drawing on top and pressing. Now just double check, we can check to see, so can you see what I've traced? I've missed some here. And I'll just continue for the rest of the design. The last way I use is quite a handy one for really intricate designs where it's going to take you forever to trace, or if you don't have a particularly steady hand as well, this is good. And this is paper solvay. You can actually get sticky fabric solvay as well, and what it allows you to do, it comes in A4 sheets, and what you can do is print your image onto this if you've got a printer, and then this you would just attach, pin in place on your fabric with the design printed on it, and then stitch on top. And then once you finish your design, you basically just follow the instructions. You submerge it in some water, and then this paper will just kind of deplete away, it just kind of disintegrates. And the fabric solvay, it's actually got an adhesive back, so you stick it onto your fabric, but it's got the same idea that it washes away. So all you're left with is your stitches.